Have you ever wondered what separates financially successful people from the rest? It's not just luck, talent, or even a high-paying job, it's their habits. Today, I'm sharing 7 proven habits that financially successful people swear by. Stick around, because habit number 7 might just change your life. Habit 1: Setting clear financial goals. First things first, financially successful people don't just wish for wealth, they plan for it. They set crystal clear goals, whether it's saving for a dream home, retirement, or building a business empire. Without a destination, you'll wander aimlessly. So, what's your financial goal? Write it down today. Habit 2: Living below their means. Here's the truth, they don't spend money to impress others. They focus on living below their means, avoiding lifestyle inflation, and making smart choices that align with their goals. Remember, it's not about how much you earn, but how much you keep. Habit 3: Consistent saving and investing. Successful people make saving and investing a priority, not an afterthought. They automate their savings and invest consistently, taking advantage of the magic of compound interest. Even if it's just $50 a month, the key is consistency. Habit 4: Educating themselves about money. They never stop learning. From books to podcasts to YouTube videos, like this one, they constantly expand their knowledge about money. The more you know, the better decisions you'll make. Habit 5: Tracking every dollar. Have you ever looked at your bank account and wondered, where did my money go? Successful people don't. They track every dollar, ensuring their money is working for them, not disappearing into the abyss of unnecessary spending. Habit 6: Building multiple streams of income. They don't rely on just one paycheck. They create multiple income streams, whether through side hustles, investments, or passive income sources. If one stream dries up, the others keep flowing. Habit 7: Surrounding themselves with like-minded people. Here's a secret, they surround themselves with people who inspire and challenge them. As the saying goes, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. So, choose your circle wisely. Transform your financial future. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your life change. Which habit will you start today? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs it.